It is not a question of a member of Bangladesh Nationalist Party. It is a question should be for 160 million people to ask the Sheikh Hasina government to if Aslam Chaudhry get arrested for 6-minute meeting with you, for a 15 minutes meeting with a Sheikh Hasina's son, Sajib Wajed Joy, he should be arrested immediately for the same reason. If we believe that Mr. Mehdi Safadi is a member of Mossad or trying to do any kind of conspiracy to remove the present government of Bangladesh from the power. And it is a very silly act, and we all know that. So my question is, either they should release immediately Mr. Aslam Chaudhry from the custody, or act properly the same way, arrest immediately the son of Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, Sajib Wajed Joy, who met with Mr. Mehdi Safadi.